back to another video. Today we got a Black Friday Best Buy ad. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, deals. Yeah, I know where we are to a channel. We're just going to be doing this different video today. We're going to be going over Black Friday. If you guys like these Black Friday videos, please remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, or leave me a comment down below. Let me know if this is what you want to see. I'll keep doing these videos for you guys. But yeah, we got a Best Buy Black Friday. We got a 70-inch Samsung for $549.99. Then we got a 75-inch Samsung for $749. So basically, these are great brands. I do have a Samsung. They're really good TVs there. Just make sure you're getting a smart TV if that's what you want to get. Always remember to look at the model numbers and the details of these sales, so you're getting the whatever you want to get. Yeah, for these 5 inches, pretty much you're paying $200 more. As you guys could see, it's only 5 inches bigger. Definitely recommend the 70-inch. I think that's the best deal there. And then you got a 58 Insignia with Fire TV Edition, $199. It is really great deal there. These TVs are okay. They're not as high quality as a Samsung. Who knows? They might last a little bit less. But so far, I believe I do have one TV that's this brand, and it works real good. You do get a free Amazon Echo Dot, so you get one of these little devices with this purchase. It says Black Friday doorbusters, open Thursday, November 28th at 5 p.m. Shop online all day. Okay, this is what it's telling you the details on here. So you got a 70-inch class LED 6 series at 2160p smart. So it is a smart TV. It is a 4K Ultra HD with HDR. Same thing with this one. This was a class LED. Here's the model number, NU6900 series. 2160p smart 4K. Okay, so these are pretty much all 4K, all smart TVs. Same thing with this smart TV. It is a 2160p smart 4K Fire TV Edition. All right, this is page 1 of the 67. So I'm just gonna try to go real quick. It's not working. All right, pretty much we got this Chromebook 11.6 Samsung. These Chromebooks are not laptops, just to let you know. Laptop is usually where you do video editing, hardcore gaming and all that stuff. These are mostly for internet browsing, typing in a letter or something. So these are more basic. They have less memory, less, capacity, just to let you know, but still does a lot of functionalities that a laptop does. It is $89. You got an Xbox 1 terabyte Star Wars Jedi Fallen Orders console bundle, $349 for that. Let's see here, we got another laptop, Dell Inspiron 15.6 touchscreen. So it's a touchscreen with the i3 8 gigabyte memory. So it's not a lot of memory, but still it's not, it's not too bad. For this price, it's not too bad. But if you're gonna be doing like hardcore gaming and video editing, would recommend you getting a higher processor, maybe an i5 or something like that, with a little bit more memory, as it says 256 gigabyte at least, and 8 gigabyte. Yeah, I would think something like this would be better. So if you guys are looking to get into computers. And then we got a camera, Canon EOS Rebel T7i DSLR. So these are great cameras. $699 for that. Amazon Fire Stick, $19.99. Amazon Echo Show 5 Smart Display. So many devices out there. It's hard to keep track to all of them. $49.99. And then we got the J Lab Audio J Buds. So I guess these are wireless headphones, and I believe you charge them with this little case. So $29.99 for that. It says more doorbusters. You got an LG $299, a 55-inch LG, and then you got a 65-inch Samsung for $479. Okay, you got a 50-inch Samsung for $279. Samsung 43-inch for $229. Let's see anything else that pops up. This computer, Ideal Pad. It says 114-inch. Well, 14-inch laptop. AMD Series. Yeah, then again, it doesn't have a lot of memory still. If you're doing just internet browsing, it should work for you. Video or like YouTube should be good. Got some video games there. You got a tablet here. It says Amazon Fire 7, 2019 release. 7-inch tablet, 16 gigabytes. Hard drive or memory. $29.99 for that. It's going to be your basic tablets. They're not the fastest. They're not going to be like Samsung tablets or iPads. But this will get you the job done, especially if you want to give this to a young one that's going to be throwing it around. Or somebody that doesn't want the latest. And at that price, definitely a great deal there. You got Amazon Fire HD 8-inch tablets. It's a little bigger tablet, $49.99. You got a printer, HP Envy 5014 wireless all-in-one printer. Yeah, mostly all the printers today nowadays, they do have the wireless Wi-Fi and all that built in. So $29.99 for that. This is sweet WD easy storage, 5 terabyte, $89.99. See anything that catches my eye here? Got that Echo Dot, $22.99. Got an Amazon Fire TV, $24.99. A camera system, Arlo, $3.99. That's a good safety device there you could use at your house. It says new doorbuster starts Friday, November 29. Door opens Friday at 8 a.m. So you got Hisense TV, $2.99. Then again, this is going to be like the other brands. That's not the top of the brand, but still it'll look great. It's a great TV. It'll last a few years, long time. HP, $199. So great. Here's the details. 14-inch laptop, AMD A9 series for, then again, not a lot of memory. Not, the price is everything. Every time you're shopping for a computer, if you're going to be doing gaming or video editing and stuff like that, always look at the memory. The more you can afford, the better you're going to be off. Something like this is going to be really slow. Then again, if you're going to be just browsing the internet, looking at YouTube, that should be fine. Hisense 65-inch is the same thing. It says 4K. Smart TV, $299. Great deal there. It says big gatherings need. You got a whole bunch of TVs here. You got a 75, 65, 55, 75. Okay. I would definitely get the first ones. These are kind of a little pricey. Maybe the newer. These are, yeah, QLED. LED. Yeah, QLED is going to be the newest. One of the newest technology out there, the nicer TVs. So if you're looking for like a better TV or newer technology, something that's going to look a little better than the LED, definitely recommend these for you guys. Like I said, this is going to be your newer versions of the TVs. Me personally, I can't really tell the difference sometimes on all these TVs. Once you start getting to 4K, you're pretty much, it's hard to recognize QLED or regular LED. So that's just me personally. You got a few good deals. You got the 70-inch, $549. Samsung 75-inch for $749. These are pretty much the same deals at the front of the beginning of the video. Let's see here. So this is just basically repeating itself. I'm not gonna keep you guys keep making this video forever. So yeah, that's it for today. Just stay tuned. I will be coming out with more Black Friday deals, more Black Friday smoking deals, because there's going to be a lot out there. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one.